New numbers just out tonight show a growing homeless population in Palm Beach County. But there is another story beyond that headline. It's a new face to the homeless population, too. The sweeping intracoastal views and shady trees, Curry Park, home to bikers and park lovers, and also a frequent refuge for Palm Beach County's homeless. Our cameras were there when members of the homeless outreach team were visiting the park.
So we certainly have seen an increase in homelessness since the last point in time count. In previous years, we had seen decreases.
The new numbers just released prove it. Last year, Palm Beach County counted 1,404 individuals either living on the streets or in shelters. In this year's count, taken in January, there were 1,855.
When I look at the data, I don't see data, I see people.
Dr. James Green is part of Palm Beach County's effort to stem the tide of homelessness. He's part of the census team on the streets and says the homeless population has taken on a new face.
There's a significant portion of the individuals we counted who are unsheltered that were new to homelessness.
Green says the reason is simple: the squeeze in the economy and the lack of affordable housing.
The cost of housing and rent, the economy, the cost of food and gas and some of those other basic necessities, and a number of other factors have led to people not being able to afford their rent, their cost burden, which means that they're paying more than 30% of their gross income on rent.
And you may have heard Green say in our headlines this evening that 70% of the homeless population are new to homelessness. That came out of this recent survey. Green says the Palm Beach County Homeless Coalition, along with the Housing Alliance, is helping hundreds of families right now with housing assistance. They've spent $100 million, in fact, in subsidies on this rental assistance, trying to keep families in their homes right now. Otherwise, Green said the new homeless number would have been much higher.